Humans are responsible for global warming due to our own activities. Humans are known to be a powerful geological force on Earth. Because we had the power to cause global warming, we also have the power to change the course of the Earth for better. So let me introduce the reformed Anthropocene.
I find peace in nature.
Nature is about trees and animals.
Nature gives me unconditional love.
I see nature as a friend.
Where I get my food, it's where I get my oxygen.
Terrace is established to bring human and nature closer. People are able to enjoy the sunset, kayak on the lake, and swim in the lake. People are now becoming more aware of the importance of nature in their daily life. Human and nature cannot be separated. Human and nature are codependent on one another. Arboretum is a habitat restoration place in Wisconsin. Students and volunteers restore and protect the biological diversity